Hello, Jessica Frost Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy way to create 2 cards at once using some beautiful cover plate dies and a little ink blending. So let's get started. First I die cut the Fluttering Hearts cover plate and the Fluttering Hearts pierced cover plate dies from white cardstock. If you only have the Fluttering Hearts cover plate die, you can still create this pair of cards, you just won't have the fun stitching detail on one of them. Once I die cut both panels, I use a little repositionable tape to tape them together at the top and bottom. Then I place them on a piece of scrap paper and use blending brushes to apply Distress Oxide inks in Spun Sugar, Picked Raspberry, and Abandoned Coral on a diagonal. I keep Spun Sugar on the edges and then blend in towards Abandoned Coral in the middle. I go back and forth between the colors, making sure I have a smooth transition and that I'm getting into all of the nooks and crannies of my makeshift stencil. I think blending brushes work best here because they can really get into those tiny spaces better than blending tools. You could use any colors here, I just thought I'd go traditional with pinks and reds. Once I'm done blending, I carefully remove the tape and separate the panels. You can see how my blending created those pretty colorful pierced hearts. Then I blend Spun Sugar and Picked Raspberry on the top and bottom of the top panel to cover up my tape marks. I let the panels dry for a bit and then splatter them with water and Iridescent Shimmer spray. Then I dry them with a heat gun and set them aside to dry completely while I work on the sentiment for my cards. I die cut the heart word from black glitter cardstock and adhere it to a shadow layer of white cardstock using liquid glue. I also stamp the rest of the sentiment from heart onto black cardstock and heat emboss it with white embossing powder before trimming them down to labels. I use liquid glue to adhere the cover plate panel to a white card base. I had a bit of an ink smudge on my other panel, so I trimmed 1/8 of an inch off the pierced panel and then adhered that to an A2 card base as well. I adhere the label sentiments with foam mounting tape and use liquid glue for the heart word. Finally, I add a few iridescent clear sequins for a little extra shimmer. And that's it. I love when I can get 2 cards for the work of one. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have a great day and happy crafting. Bye!